Welcome to 12 days of holiday baking. Today we are making shortbread cookies. We are going to start by adding 1 cup of butter at room temperature, a half a cup of sugar, and whip for 5 minutes. Clearly here, my butter was not at the right temperature, which is just the classic baking fail for me because I don't like to use the microwave. But something you can do is submerge the bowl into a bigger bowl of just hot tap water and you will quickly get the right consistency you need, which is what I did here. And then once the mixture is fluffy, you're going to add 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then mix that all up. Once everything is fully incorporated and your dough is looking like this, we are ready to roll. This recipe can make you 24 cookies, but I made the cookies ginormous, so I made 12. And then I used these delicious candied pecans, which will be posted on day 2, just to add a nutty flavor to our shortbread cookies. And 3 cookies with some chocolate chips, because why not? Now you can bake the cookies at 300 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes depending on how big you made them, and you will have your own delicious shortbread cookies. The recipe will be below, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.